Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Anamika and today I'm going to tell you about how to ace your bits. Yes. So I have found that many of you are struggling with that your foundation oxidize और आपका फाउंडेशन ज़्यादा देर तक टिकता नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ सेवरल रीजंस. बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं कि आपका फाउंडेशन इस रेंज स्टे नहीं कर रहा है, आपका फाउंडेशन ट्रांसफ़र प्रूफ है, आपने सही फाउंडेशन नहीं ले रखा है, आपने सही शेड नहीं ले रखा है. देयर आर plenty ऑफ रीजंस फॉर एवरीथिंग यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद. So yes, in this video I'll be telling you about everything, every steps, in-depth review, in-depth about everything, how to apply your foundation correctly so that it won't just give you that foundation look कि आपने foundation लगा रखा है. I'll just tell you how to apply your foundation so seamless that it don't look like that you have applied so much base onto your skin. So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video and see what are the steps you need to follow. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. यार लोग आते हैं वीडियो देख के चले जाते हैं, मतलब सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं. On one of my videos I have 2.5k views, on one of my videos I have 1.4k views, but nobody subscribes.
भाई समझ के बोल रहा हूँ यार, बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो. मैंने आज तक किसी के
Please do subscribe to my channel and let's go and see the video. So let's start with prepping up your skin. So for prepping up your skin, I am taking a moisturizer, which is this moisturizer, Pond's Super Light Oil Free Moisturizer. This moisturizer is really best for oily skin moisturizer, and I have a detailed review on this. You may find it over here. If you haven't seen, go and see, and then you'll find how really amazing this moisturizer is. And so I'm applying this moisturizer for prepping up my skin. So yeah. Also, don't forget to apply your moisturizer on the neck area, because there also we are going to apply a foundation so that it looks even on your skin, here and everywhere. So yes, on to the next step we move. I'll be applying a serum just to give my skin look a radiant glow and a little glow. And this serum is a white seed brightening serum. It's from Face Shop, and it's quite high-end product. So yes, बहुत थोड़ा सा सीरम लगाऊंगी मैं ये, just to give my skin a glow. So yeah. Ooh, this serum is wow, magic. It's like really a magic. You just can see it on my face. Thing I would like to say that if you're a beginner and if you are learning this, so you really don't need to own a primer. Prepping up your skin with moisturizer, serum, oils, anything you want is really sufficient for that, because that'd be really great. And you really don't need a primer in just in case you have big open pores. So आप प्राइमर यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट्स ऑल अपॉन यू. यू रियली डोंट नीड टू ओन अ प्राइमर अनटिल एंड अनलेस आप कोई बहुत बड़े फंक्शन में जा रहे हो जहाँ आपका मेकअप आपको स्टे चाहिए ऑन योर फेस. सो येस, देन ओनली नीड टू हैव अ प्राइमर. सो फॉर प्राइमर आई एम गोइंग फॉर Maybelline Master Prime, and I'll be applying it on my cheeks because and on my nose. पूरा ही निकल गया. And over my forehead, and a bit here. make sure that your primer spreads all over your skin, mainly onto the areas which you feel like they are really oily और वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा oil आता है. So yeah, make sure that they spread evenly there. I'm using primer there which I feel कि वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा oil आता है. So yeah, okay, that's totally upon you on what kind of foundation you want to use, a liquid, a stick foundation, or any sort of foundation if you want to use. Today I'll be going with a stick foundation in this video because I have ordered it recently and I am very much excited to use it since I am an oily skin person. So I will recommend you some of the foundations which I really love, and there are the Fit Me foundation, that's really great, of Maybelline, and one is of the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours foundation, that's really great foundation for an oily skin. And my recent purchase is this Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. I am in the shade 47 Borgia and I am really loving this foundation. Yes, this is the foundation I'll be using. This is a stick foundation and this is a really great foundation, and I'll show you it has such a great creamy base formula. So yes, I'll show you and apply it onto my skin. And trust me, this is exactly of my shade. The best part of this foundation which I am really loving. And the best part of this foundation that it comes with a brush with it. As you can see, I have just tested it on my skin, and this is the best thing of this foundation, and this brush is really good. This video is about how to ace your foundation, so I'll be using a beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is damped and you use it pressing it like this and start. Don't drag onto your skin, just press. Dab, 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 dab. This way. Applying a bit foundation over my neck. So yes. Now I'll be using this beauty blender. So as you can see, this foundation has such a great base, and this foundation is so great. It blends onto your skin like nothing has applied onto your skin, and you can just see how seamless this foundation looks. Also, it's a part of blending too, that how your foundation should look like on your face. See, this is a full coverage, medium to full coverage foundation, as it has not covered my these marks, which I'll be covering through concealer. And in concealer I'll be using this Magic Wand waterproof concealer of Sugar itself, and I am really impressed by Sugar products. I'm telling you, they are really great. So yes, on to the concealer. I am in the shade 40 Brief, and let me tell you, I haven't applied anything on my under eyes. I was not applying there, but because that this foundation is of so thick consistency that it's spread out over here, but I haven't applied here, so that it don't layers your skin, right? कि स्किन पर दिख रहा है दो बार आपने ओवर लेयरिंग कर रखी है. So try to get foundation on the inner corners, neither and a bit here on the inner corners and here. This is the best way to apply concealer, because if you apply all over your under eye, you won't get the good amount of concealer and it may not spread like, and you'll feel a thick consistency over your eye under your eyes, और वो फिर अलग नज़र आता है concealer. So yeah, and highlighting my nose, here. Also I want to hide these marks so that very very less amount because I know it spreads like very great concealer. Coming on to the blending again. Hold your beauty blender like this from the tip and then slowly cover your under eyes. Dab, dab in the dab motion, not to drag but dab. See, as I told you, not to drag, just dab onto your skin, and the concealer, your skin will absorb the concealer, and it really looks so great. Already my face is looking like contoured and highlighted and with a blusher on. I don't know how, but yes, this concealer and foundations are so great, and this is my first impression to them, and not exactly a first impression because I just got them and I was trying to deliver, and I really love these because it spreads onto your skin like wow. As you can see, this is so great. So for setting my concealer, I'll be using this compact which is from Maybelline New York. It's super fresh, and I'm in the shade Pure Pearlite, and you can see I'm already ended up with this compact. I really need to buy another. So just dabbing my brush over here and like this. You really don't need to buy a setting powder alug se. If you have a compact, you can just go with it. That's why I'm using a compact over here, because this is totally a beginner friendly video and you can just go with it. Wherever you have applied concealer, just dab the brush and set your powder concealer like this. I have applied some of on my marks, so yes, I'm dabbing over there too. We are done with setting of my concealers, and you can see the difference. It looks more of mattified now. It doesn't look creasy. Why we set our concealer is because that we can have a without crease foundation. It looks subtle, straight and great. Another step to make it set is a setting spray. This is completely a your choice kind of option. It's like dependent. If you have, then you can apply a setting spray. A setting spray really helps you keep your makeup set and long lasting. So yes, I have this Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting matte finish spray. So when I am done with this, I'll apply this and shake this before applying, and so that it evenly spread with your beauty blender. You can see I'm all done with my foundation, concealer and everything, and I've told you each and every step regarding it, and you can just see how the foundation is looking on my skin. It looks completely blended in my skin, and it doesn't look I have overlaid any product. So these were the steps you need to follow to ace your base, and the concealers and foundations that I have suggested will be given in the link below, and I'll be doing a complete review for those products as well, and that will have a separate video. Thank you for watching this video, and in next video I'll be coming up with the eyebrows and eyeshadow, how to do your brows and how to apply eyeshadow. So yes, keep on watching my series. I have started this series, a beginner friendly series. This was the thing how I do my base. And if you have anything, any questions, you can just write down in the comment section and do tell me how was the video. And in the next video I'll be covering up the eyeshadow, and another I'll be covering how to contour and how to highlight and blush, and in the last video also obviously how to get the fuller lips. Everything will be covered in each and every video, so please keep on watching the series. This is the first part on how to apply the foundation, concealer, and how to set your base. So yes, the product details will be mentioned in my description box. Also, thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya. So yeah, if you haven't seen any of my makeup videos, you can just go and follow me on Instagram. The link is given below and in the description box. The username will appear here, and yes, go follow me there and see how my makeup tutorials and daily updates regarding me and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.